Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to share a collection of inspiring creative wooden art decor ideas that will elevate your home's aesthetic. Get ready to explore unique designs and techniques that turn ordinary wood into extraordinary art. Creating a collection of creative wooden art decor can be a wonderful way to showcase craftsmanship, creativity, and the beauty of natural materials. Here are some inspiring ideas for your wooden art decor collection. 1. Wooden wall art, geometric designs. Create wall hangings using different shapes and sizes of wood pieces, stained in various colors, nature scenes. Carve or assemble layers of wood to depict mountains, forests, or ocean waves. Inspirational quotes. Use laser engraving or hand-painted techniques to display motivational quotes on beautifully finished wooden panels. 2. Sculptural pieces, abstract sculptures. Experiment with different forms and textures by combining various types of wood, animal figures. Craft stylized representations of animals using reclaimed wood, emphasizing natural grains and textures. Functional art. Design sculptures that double as furniture or lighting fixtures, such as a wooden lamp shaped like a tree. 3. Wooden planters, hanging planters. Create unique hanging planters made from slices of logs or hollowed-out branches. Tiered plant stands. Build multi-level plant stands from reclaimed wood for a rustic look. Wall-mounted planters. Design wall-mounted planters in geometric shapes to bring greenery indoors. 4. Decorative coasters and trivets. Engraved coasters. Create sets of coasters with intricate designs or personalized engravings. Natural edge trivets. Use cross-sections of logs with natural edges as rustic trivets for hot dishes. 5. Wooden mirrors, framed mirrors. Design mirrors with ornate wooden frames that incorporate carvings or natural wood slices. Sunburst mirrors. Create a sunburst effect using long wooden rays radiating from a central mirror. 6. Seasonal decor, seasonal centerpieces. Design centerpieces that reflect the seasons using wood slices and natural elements like pine cones or leaves. 7. Functional art, serving boards. Create beautifully crafted wooden serving boards with unique shapes and finishes, key holders and mail organizers. Design wall-mounted organizers using wood that combines aesthetics and functionality. 8. Customized name signs, personalized name plaques. Offer customized wooden name signs for homes, nurseries, or businesses, utilizing different fonts and styles. Address signs. Create decorative wooden address plaques that can be hung outside homes. 9. Wooden jewelry displays, earring holders. Design artistic displays for earrings using carved wood with holes or hooks. Necklace stands. Create elegant stands for necklaces that showcase the jewelry while being a piece of art themselves. 10. Artistic furniture, unique stools and tables. Craft one-of-a-kind stools or side tables with artistic designs that highlight the beauty of the wood grain. Bookshelves with flair. Build bookshelves that incorporate artistic elements, such as asymmetrical designs or integrated lighting. Tips for your collection. Sustainability. Consider using reclaimed or sustainably sourced wood to appeal to eco-conscious consumers. Finishing touches. Experiment with different stains, paints, and finishes to enhance the natural beauty of the wood. Workshops and classes. Host workshops to teach others about woodworking techniques and allow them to create their own pieces. By combining creativity with craftsmanship, your wooden art decor collection can inspire others while celebrating the beauty of nature and artistry. Absolutely. Here are more creative ideas for your wooden art decor collection. 1. Wooden clock designs. Artistic wall clocks. Design unique wall clocks that incorporate interesting shapes, textures, or even layered wood for a three-dimensional effect. Tabletop clocks. Create small, decorative clocks that can serve as centerpieces or desk accessories. 2. Wooden mobile art, hanging mobiles. Craft whimsical mobiles using various wooden shapes and colors that can sway gently in the breeze, perfect for nurseries or as decorative accents. Wind chimes. Design wind chimes made from different lengths of wood, creating soothing sounds when the wind blows. 3. Wooden candle holders, tea light holders. Create rustic tea light holders from log slices or carved wood with space for tea lights. Candelabras. Design elegant wooden candelabras that can hold multiple candles, perfect for dining tables or special occasions. 4. Artistic picture frames, mixed media frames, combine wood with other materials like metal or fabric to create unique picture frames. Nature-inspired frames, use twigs, branches, or bark to create frames that complement nature-themed photos. 1-5. Wooden puzzle art, interlocking puzzles, design artistic puzzles made from wood that can be assembled into beautiful images or abstract designs. 3D puzzles, create three-dimensional puzzles that can also serve as decorative sculptures once assembled. 1-6. Wooden bookmarks. Engraved bookmarks, craft bookmarks from thin slices of wood, engraved with quotes, designs, or personalized names. Nature-inspired shapes, create bookmarks in the shape of leaves, animals, or other natural elements. 1-7. Functional wall art, key and coat racks, design wall-mounted racks that serve as both functional storage and artistic decor. Magnetic boards, create wooden magnetic boards for notes and reminders, combining utility with aesthetic appeal. 1-8. Wooden game boards, classic board games, craft beautifully finished wooden versions of classic games like chess, checkers, or backgammon. Puzzle games, design intricate puzzle games that are visually appealing and challenging to play. Wooden music instruments, handcrafted instruments, create simple musical instruments like ukuleles, maracas, or wooden flutes that showcase your craftsmanship. Decorative instrument displays, design stands for displaying musical instruments as art pieces. Interactive art pieces, kinetic sculptures, build sculptures that move or change shape when interacted with, creating a dynamic art experience. Artistic chalkboards, create chalkboard surfaces framed in wood for interactive art that can be changed regularly. Wooden furniture accents. Drawer pulls and knobs, craft unique wooden drawer pulls and knobs that can be used to enhance furniture pieces. Table centerpieces, design decorative wooden centerpieces for dining tables, incorporating natural elements like flowers or fruits. Wooden maps and globes, topographic maps, create three-dimensional topographic maps of local areas or famous landmarks using layered wood. World globes, craft decorative globes made from wood that highlight geographical features. Through engraving or painting, customized pet decor, pet name signs, create personalized wooden signs for pet owners featuring their pets' names or fun quotes about pets. Pet feeding stations, design stylish feeding stations for pets that blend seamlessly with home decor. Natural wood art panels, live edge panels, utilize slabs of wood with live edges to create stunning wall art pieces that highlight the natural beauty of the material. Inlay art, experiment with inlay techniques using different types of wood to create intricate designs and patterns. 25. Wooden garden decor, garden markers, craft decorative plant markers from wood to label herbs and flowers in gardens. Birdhouses and feeders, design artistic birdhouses or feeders that add charm to outdoor spaces while providing homes for birds. Final thoughts, collaboration with artists. Consider collaborating with local artists or artisans to expand your collection and incorporate diverse styles. Storytelling through art, each piece can tell a story, whether it's about the type of wood used, the inspiration behind the design, or the process of creation. Sharing these stories can enhance the appeal of your collection. Online presence, showcase your collection on social media platforms or an online store to reach a wider audience and connect with potential customers. With these additional ideas, you can create a rich and diverse collection of wooden art decor that appeals to various tastes and preferences. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey. We hope you found inspiration in our wooden art decor collection. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more artistic ideas. Until next time, keep creating.